Hey, check this out. I'm running regular 2D Android apps on a Meta Quest Pro. Here I'm running Spotify, the Android Spotify app, and listen to music as I'm browsing the web. I'm downloading Android apps from apkmirror.com onto the downloads folder on my Quest. And then I can use an app like Total Commander to install them right from my headset without even using a computer. I can run up 3 different Android apps next to each other at the same time. For example, I can open up Discord. And I can pull on this black bar to pull it over to the side. And then I can just pull something else up in the middle, like Netflix or whatever I feel like. So I can use Spotify, and I can change the aspect ratio by pulling at a corner. So if I want to use Spotify in a tablet mode, I can do that. And now I can use Discord, Netflix, and Spotify at the same time. And if I turn on pass-through, I can see my office, and I can have these Android apps up and running over my desktop or my office environment. So here I have Discord on the side. And if I pair a Bluetooth keyboard, I can use that to type and listen to music and watch a movie all at the same time on the Meta Quest Pro. Thanks for watching.